Hello, I'm Alex and this is Alex Attempts Tabletop. Today's video I am restoring some old Necron minis that I was kindly sent from one of my friends. So thank you for sending me some Necrons because I need to add to the ever-growing horde of robotic space people who are angry because space. So I wanted to paint these in my scheme for my custom Memphrit Dynasty, and there's a description card right above you on how to paint them. I just wanted to make a video on the process. So my friend was using these as like testers, and just when they were originally doing Necrons, and they sent them to me, and I was like, I'm going to paint them my way. So instead of stripping them down and stuff, I just primed them straight away with lead belcher because luckily the paint what was previously applied wasn't thick enough. And as you can see here, I got quite a nice even coat, so I'm very thankful that the spray can decided to work because the weather at the minute is a bit temperamental in Northern Ireland. So yeah, so here it is again. I've just applied a wash of Agrax Earthshade. I actually used the OG Agrax Earthshade, not the new one which is in smaller pots, because I prefer the older one when I want more of a dirtier finish. So then I gave it a classic dry brush. I'm a big fan of dry brushing. It speeds up everything. And for this, I just dried brush, you guessed it, Necron compound. So once I do that, it means then you've still got that dirty look, but then you have the shine of the Necron compound. And I didn't choose the loadout for these Necron Immortals. I believe the other loadout is better if we're going down that route, but I don't care. These guns look cool, and I've got more Immortals to build. So I am using mainly contrast throughout this paint scheme. So I used Black Templar for the guns, and then I used one of the Nighthaunt Gloom technical paints, and then I used Acrolean Green for like the ice base. And as you see here, I've painted the front because it helps the face pop up. I've applied the snow texture paint, which luckily at the time I was really running out of, and I was like, geez, I'm so thankful I had enough. And yeah, just like that, some old models, what was sent to me, bang, bunch of new life. Very thankful. I enjoy restoring. I don't want to use the term like old models, like they're not old, they're not ancient, but like used by someone else, I guess. But restoring old models is somewhat fun for me because especially when they're sent free to you, but also if you do eBay hunting online, or you can do trades with friends, or do like half and half on a box with someone, you're getting your money for value, especially in, as people say in the newspapers, in this economy. So yeah, I was happy that I got these Immortals. They match the rest of my small Necron force, and I still have so many more Necrons to build. But I just thought I'd make a quick painting video on my process of restoring some old Necron midis into brand new, ready to put on the table and play. So thank you for watching this brief video. I appreciate it wasn't super intense, it's just kind of chill, but I like these videos because, hey, they're fun. That's why I make videos for you guys. So speaking of you guys, thank you so much for watching. It's greatly appreciated. If you haven't already, I would appreciate a subscription, a thumbs up, a comment. You don't have to, but it's appreciated. Thank you to the people on screen. Your support always is appreciated, and it just helps a bit, you know? So, yes, this is Alex, and this is Alex Attempts Tabletop. I appreciate you for stopping on by, and I hope you have yourself a good day. Keep it easy.